Hello and welcome back to day 14 of this Galactic Greenhouse game, and today I want to continue where I left off yesterday and actually the day before. By the way, yesterday and the day before was hard days for me. That's why I cannot find any time to continue on this game, and it's kind of a hurdle the last time tried to continue on developing this game because of I placed another update for the game in between the development of this game. That's why today I want to continue and make a new start, make a good start for this game, and make this game as a instead of dealing with the logic, I want to make this game a game. And so I will start by applying this new game button and continue buttons, save and load functionality, and a question flow for the game. The question flow is the quizzes, the things that needed to be solved by the players. So let's just start from here. Let's just continue from here. Okay, I started with a script called Game Manager, as you can see over here, to handle this new game and continue game button logic. And this is a kind of a base class that I will use for the game flow, because this will deal with the which question the player is in currently, and which question will the player loads, or where the player saves at the last time. And generally this is kind of a manager script. I can make it a single instance, a singleton, but I do not want to deal with it right now because it looks like right now it's not needed. And in addition to this, I added two buttons over here as new game button and continue button, and I tried to place them over the screen. And let's continue from here. Okay, I found out that I have been developing this project in Windows platform, and I mistakenly changed it to WebGL right now, and I pressed the switch platform. It will took a little time, and I will need to wait for it to complete it right now. Okay, so far so good. Actually, I changing back from this timeline approach to the script approach with the game manager, and right now when the player presses a play section, a new game button and continue button appears, and when the continue button calls it calls this onload function for loading the data, which hasn't implemented yet. But when the player presses a new game, okay, something is wrong right now. When the player presses a new game, the new game start new game function is called inside this game manager, which should disable this new game button and continue button, and after that it should start the animation for the text section. But first of all, I need to deal with these two lines, because when the player presses a new game, these buttons are not disabled. Okay, so I got stuck with this start new game and continue buttons, and I do not understand why they are not disabled when I press the new game button. I tried something. I tried debug break to see what's wrong with it, and I do not understand. I need to investigate it a little deeper. Also, let's just comment out these things because they are just floating this console view. Actually, I try to see what is the previous try load when I press the new game, and it just disables itself, and the new game is connected to press new game button, which is over here. This new, okay, where is it? Text field dot press new game button, load text field dot press new game button. Okay, this should work. That's the same script. Handle save. Let's comment out this line of code over here and try again. No, not a chance. When I press the new game, why you do not work in here and you are working in the previous project? New game button is this thing. When I press the new game button, it plays an audio source, and also it has this helper state. Try like this. New game button. Object set active false. Press continue. So it looks like I will not manage to solve this problem right now, and let's just add a note for the tomorrow because today my time is finished, and let's see what I can do with the tomorrow with about this issue. So see you later. Bye.